Alrighty, good morning all. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you a new way to cook an egg. It's a bit of a challenge, but I really like the way they come out, and it's even better if your fried egg grease was bacon grease. But yeah, you first want to get your spoon, in which if you notice it's got a nice bend in it. That is to where it will sit, to where it sits flat once you place it. Get it pretty hot, and you want just a hair bit of grease left in there. Find a spot where it sits as level as possible. There's the hard part. Well, it's going to be hard for me to show you. Getting your egg in there without it over rolling. Alright, cool. First try. Now, this is a two-step process. What I found is just get a little bit of grease right on the top for a second. It's already going to be hot enough. Yep, my grease is heated up to 350 degrees. Alright, and it looks like she's ready. And then drop it in and cook it to the level that you want it to be cooked to. If you like it sunny side up or really wet yolk, you would probably pull it out not too long from right there. Generally, it's in there for about a minute and a half at the most. Oh. If it starts doing that, you might just have to pull it out for a second. All it is this air pocket. I'm actually going to turn the heat down to about 325. And as you can see, it's cooking up pretty nice. Just a little bit of splatter. I've done better. This was the previous one where I was testing it to make sure everything was working right. It is kind of neat how it's in the exact shape of that darn spoon, which just happens to be the exact shape of most biscuits. I wonder why I came up with this idea. Deep fried egg. I'm sure this is healthy, right? Right? It's healthy, right? Oh yeah, see how it's going to try to bubble up and pop? No big deal, just put a little hole in it. Alright, if it floats out of your spoon, it's done. So there we have it. One more. Perfectly cooked. Deep fried egg. Now all I gotta do is wait for my bacon. And as you can see, just gorgeous deep fried eggs. And that's gonna make life better here shortly. That'll be it for today. This is just the Redneck Cooking Show. The Grump doing the cooking. Peace out.